grocery store day. Wala yung baga ba marami kaming wala sa ano day, sa grocery day, yung pagkain namin day. And so ngayon kaya pupunta tayo ng grocery store. Ito yung second video day kasi masyadong mahaba na yung first video, kaya ganito pa talaga yung damit ko day. And then yung yusawa ko nagwapo day. Oh, parating na yung yusawa ko nagwapo. Hi, gwapo.
No, not one.
Yeah, gwapo gani. Can I tujak you tonight?
I'm telling my mama that you're talking dirty.
Yung mukha talaga ng asawa ko day.
Mama,
Mom, what?
she touched my pee-pee.
No, don't be like that. Love. Be friendly to your asawa. Friendly. Ay, ginoo ko. So, hindi, iniwan lang namin si Bibi Kano dahil para madali lang kaming matapos dahil. Kasi alam nyo naman si Bibi Kano is demanding yun dahil. Sobrang madrama. Ang daming drama ng katawan ni Bibi Kano, ni Bibi Asher ba. So, ngayon, kami lang dalawa. Nagde-date kami ng asawa ko.
Lots of drama.
Yeah, Asher have lots of drama. But you know, oh, they have some another labo visits people. Ah no, wow, they are making something to their house. There are rich people there. Our neighbor, they do something because I see, you know,
All you have
woods.
to do is be someone capable of working with your hands.
Ah.
That's why there's no reason for Jerwin not to be rich.
Ah, yeah, that's right. Right.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this
Nandito na kami sa grocery store, day. Dito lang sa malapit, day. Uy, kasi nga is medyo pagod din ako, day. Kailangan ko maligo pagkatapos nito, day. And then, kailangan pagtapos relax na, day. So ngayon, hinihintay. It's something.
Get Asher and he's not in the car.
It's something, love, no? It's something like it's not.
It's not right.
Yeah, that's what I feel.
Hurts my heart a little bit.
Without Asher, sabi ng asawa ko, day, something it's not.
No one's gonna see my beautiful baby now.
Ah.
Yeah. I don't feel popular without him. We're not part of the cool kids without him. Yeah, we gotta have Asher.
That's what you feel?
Yeah.
Hindi sabi ni asawa ko, day, na hindi.
Now we're just somebody, anybody.
Sabi ng asawa ko, day, we feel like we are not popular kung wala daw si Asher sa tabi namin. Yan yung ang feeling ko, day, basta wala si Asher sa tabi namin, ang ganito, day, na lalabas kami. Something like, it's something like, weird. Munang ma-feel na ako, day. Okay. Why there's no Asher there, love?
Yeah.
And then wala din si Asher sa seats ng bata dahil dito sa cart. So something not right. Something like that.
I opened the door and tried to get him out.
Yeah. Yung asawa ko din. So we go in.
See, look,
What?
just like the ones that come off our trees, or our bush.
But
look
this
at
is
the
big,
signs.
man.
Yeah, they're genetically altered, so they don't have the nutrition.
Okay. I will get the avocado lab for Asher. Avocado. But I will try to go there. You know, the avocado that there is in the knit bag. This side, I know. This is in this side. I know. Oh, no, it's here. Oh, they changed a small one. Small avocado. So I better to go there. Here, it's more bigger. Kukuha muna ako ng avocado, day, ha? Para yung apple, day. Honey, something, yan.
Sweet, crisp, honey.
Yes, I think this one, love. The sugar beet. Yeah, I think that is the right one. You look, maybe there's something there.
These look good. No, there's one.
No, this one, I think, love, you think. rice pudding day. Gusto ito ni Bibi Kanu day. Ito day yung rice pudding. Ngayon nga na ganito sila. Rice pudding. Yung grocery. Yung price day. Ganito yung price ng mga ano day. Ito day 1 dozen $6.49. And then kinuha ng asawa ko is $5. $5.99 yung price ng eggs. sabi ko sa asawa ko dahil gusto kong ma-experience yung ano dahil ba, yung cart na ganito na ano dahil may what we call that? May makina dahil ba? May makina. Yung nag-aandar parang basta dahil iwan ko anong tawag niyan dahil hindi mo na kailangan mag-push. Sasakay ka na lang dahil. Sabi ko sa asawa, gusto ko ma-experience yan bago tayo umuwi ng Pilipinas. Sabi niya, hindi mo magustuhan kasi ang hina ng andar, mahina yung andar. Sabi niya sa akin. Nandito na sa sasakyan dahil. Yay. Let's go.
Somebody just sat at home and made it. with
Houses,
AI.
love. Look, dahil yung mga bahay nila dito
Yeah,
dahil
but they're boring.
it's boring.
Yeah, it's like one size fits all.
Okay.
You know, and then if your neighbors are fighting with each other,
You can hear it.
You're gonna hear it.
Yung mga bahay nila dito dahil magaganda
I
dahil.
would suggest just
Pero
don't
sobrang
yell at each
lapit
other,
lang
but
dahil.
People do.
Yeah, sobrang lapit lang yung mga bahay. I mean, not sobra, but yung malapit na lang talaga dahil pwede ka makahingi ng bitsin at saka asin, but hindi uso yan dito sa Amerika dahil nahihingi ka ng asin at bitsin. Wala dito sa Amerika dahil your own lang talaga. Ganyan dito.
Let's see, that one's a lower profile one. The RV.
This one.
Yeah, it's not like really high like the other one.
Yeah, it's lower. Yeah. That's right. But I think they have a big backyard. Yeah, they have a little. It's okay
Oh, there's
backyard.
more houses back there.
Where?
See, back there.
Oh,
You look, see the houses.
yeah. I think they have a bigger backyard lab. No? They have bigger backyard, no?
Not bigger than ours.
Yeah, more bigger our house. The back,
Yeah, we got 2.1 acres. I don't like living like this. I don't like being right
So
on top.
close.
I mean, it was okay in Tagoon. Yeah, I can be used to that in the Philippines. People come out in the holidays and
Yeah, but
have a good time on the
it's more
streets.
friendly.
Yeah.
You are
But
something
even-
like you are more
Yeah,
welcoming.
but even in the Philippines,
They
I want that
welcome you.
house in the country.
Yeah.
You know, we can have a house in Tagoon or Cebu or wherever you want, but I still want that country home.
Yeah. It's dead end na here. Malalaki yung bahay nila dito, day.
There's just a few back here, not many.
Oh, I like this house. It's brown color. It's dark. Dark brown.
They're just right next to each other.
Hello. Magandang umaga. Jumerica. Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Ang oras dito sa amin is 10 o'clock in the morning na mga inday. Ngayon pa talaga ako nag-out sa bed, day. Kasi yung Diyosaw ko, day, hindi siya nagtrabaho. Ginamit niya yung vacation time, mga inday. Medyo madilim yung bahay, day. Natin yung cortina, day. Para makapasok na, may nag-jogging, day. Patay. O, naghubo man, day. Walang damit yung nag-jogging na, yung lalaki ba? Batang lalaki. Hala, it's Monday today? Akala ko Monday today, day. Kasi yung Monday, day is garbage day sa amin dito, day. Basta Monday. I-on nga natin yung light, day. Oh, medyo okay na yung ating video, day. Kasi kanina, medyo madilim kanina. And then ngayon, day, nandito tayo sa malaking bahay. Or sa kabilang bahay na lang. Kasi kapag sabihin ko ng malaking bahay, day ba, parang ako na, what we call that, parang feeling ko na sa Bisaya ba, hambugira. Iyon anong Tagalog ng hambugira, day. Ayaw ko na maging hambugira, day. Gusto ko yung simpleng buhay lang, yung simpleng tao, yan yung gusto ko. So, magtimpla tayo ng kape, mga inday. So, alam niyo naman, ito yung kape ko, decaffeinated na kape. Kasi hindi tayo masyadong nakakatulog sa gabi, day, kapag may caffeine yung iniinom natin. So, yan lang yung kape natin. And then sa asawa ko, of course, yung asawa ko, day, baliwala yan, day, yung kape, day. Nakakainom yan ng kape ng like 4 or 5 baso ng kape. Yan yung asawa ko, day. Yung asawa ko, yung tulog niya, madaling makatulog yung asawa ko, day. So, ito yung regular na kape. Agoy, patay sa kanya ito. Parang napadami ito, day. I think, day, ayaw ko ng asawa ko na ito yung coffee mate, day, gano'n. Iwan ko, day, kung gusto ba niya to. Kasi mas gusto niya yung vanilla, day. Kukunin lang natin yung vanilla na, vanilla na. Ito, day, ba, itong vanilla na coffee mate. French vanilla yung flavor. Mas gusto ito ng asawa ko na flavor na to, day. Ilagay ko kayo dyan ulit, day. And then, lagyan natin ng coffee mate. Agad eh. Uy! Kagahi ba? Kasi ito yung problema, day. Ang tigas. Hindi ko ma-open. Nabahala na na. Tingnan natin. Suotin na lang natin ng tinidor. O, diba, madiskarte tayong mga Pilipino. Tutusukin na lang natin ng tinidor. O, di open na. Yung mga anak ko, day, tulog pa din yung mga anak ko, day. Tulog pa din sila lahat. Yung dalawa kong anak ba, kasi dito sila natutulog sa malaking bahay. And then kami doon sa man cave. Doon kami sa man cave natutulog. So ngayon mga yanday, i-update ko na lang kayo pagkatapos ko gumawa ng kape. Kasi nga is lalong hahaba pa itong ating video, day. So i-update ko na lang kayo mamaya mga inday, ha. Day, tingnan nyo si Bibi Kano, day. Anong ginagawa doon, day? Diyan kami nagsusunog ng aming day, mga kahoy, ganyan, day. And then ngayon, ang bata nandyan, may mga abo, day, may mga ash. O, tingnan niyo yung mukha, oh. Tingnan niyo yung mukhang bata na yan. Shilton! Asher! What are you doing? Wala jud ng bata, day. Wala jud siya pakialam, day. Wala siyang pakialam, day. Yung bataan, eh. Papaliguan ko na yan, day. Pagkatapos niyang maglaro dyan, papaliguan ko yung batang batuta na yan, day. Swerte yun, oh. Tanawa. Nandito tayo, day. Sa labas ng bahay, day. Ang bata, batuta. Sige, laro. Tanawa, anong ginagawa, day? Ang batang batuta. Hoy! Did you eat? No! Don't put in your mouth. Hindi naman niya kinakain, day. Nagdiging-diging lang siya, day. Taan niya. Ngayon mga inday, gagawa tayo ng pagkain ni Bibi Kano. Kasi kahapon, day, nag-grocery talaga kami para sa pagkain ni Bibi Kano. Para masustansya yung mga kinakain niya, mga inday. So ngayon, avocado at saka apple. And then, kuha tayo ng kutsilyo, day. Habang naghihintay tayo ng day, yung kape, day. So, nung bumili talaga kami kahapon dahil ito lang yung pinuntuhan namin kahit, what? Wala, it is not good ay. Parang ano na siya, oh. Oh, nakakasad naman. Uy, parang nabunog siya, day. That's sad. Hindi ko ito mapapakain kay Bibi Kano. Iba na yung kulay. Kuha tayo ng isa doon, day. Kukuha muna ako ng isa, day. Ay, dyan na lang kayo. Day, i-try natin ito, day, isa. Yes, kasayang naman, eh. Sobra namang sayang. Bakit ganyan? Ito, okay pa to, day, oh. Sayang talaga. Ang ano pa naman avocado dito, day, dalawang avocado, $5 na, day. Para sa $5 sa atin dyan is ano, 250 pesos na yan, day. Sobrang mahal, day. Okay na yung kape ng asawa ko, day. Lagyan natin more coffee. Sayang dito sa avocado, day. Sobrang mahal pa naman yung avocado dito, eh. Tingnan mo, $5, 250, dalawang avocado lang dyan sa atin. Mura lang yung avocado sa atin. 1 kilo na yata, hindi yan 1 kilo. Basta, parang 100 I think 100 per kilo yung avocado sa atin dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito, 250, dalawang avocado lang, 250 na. Sobrang mahal. Okay na yung ano dahil, tubig. Ano ko doy, i-deliver ko muna to sa asawa ko or ibigay ko muna ito sa asawa ko bago ko tatarbahuin kung pagkain ni Bibi Kano. Kasi yung asawa ko gising na yun dahil nandun na sa labas, nakaupo na sa labas. Yung anak ko isa, gising na yung anak ko isa. Good morning, friends! Ha? Tinanong niya yung, wala nung kapatid mo diyan, si Paul dito, oy. Tinanong niya yung kapatid niya dahil. Iwan ko dahil, yung kapatid niya palagi niyang kinukulit, itong kuya niya palaging kinukulit, palaging umiiyak, ginasungog dahil ba si Bisaya pa. And then, namimiss niya naman si Bibi Kano. Nung nandoon kami sa hospital, palagi niyang, tinatanong, Bibi Kano, si Bibi Kano, namiss niya si Bibi Kano. Patay, oy.
Wow, no, pinsuto na.
Ayaw na aman yung papa dito na. Ayaw ko Kulang ng kape day. Sa asawa ko ng kape. I-try natin. Masarap na to day para sa kanya day. Alam niyo ba mga Inday, sabi ng asawa ko dahil nung nawala ako dito na 4 na araw, 3 nights and 4 days, nawala ako doon kasi nandito doon nga kami sa hospital, di ba? And then sabi niya, alam mo ba, love, hindi ako uminom ng kape. Tinry ko na uminom ng kape, ako yung gumawa. Iba yung lasa daw. hindi niya nagustuhan yung lasa ng kape. Iba talaga dahil. Iwan ko dahil, bakit ganyan yung asawa ko dahil? Punta na tayo doon dahil, bigay ko to dahil. Bata natin, day. Punta tayo sa kabilang bahay, day. Wala na, day. Wala na. Yung mataas niyang buhok. Hinahagod niya yung buhok niya sa, kabila. Dali, mama. Let's go na, let's go. Di, mama will hold that one for you. Dali, ningkamot. Siya lang yung aking paanuhin, day. Di, ningkamot. Kikay, No. Agoy, nasab-it man dira aday. Ay, no, don't put in your mouth. Come here na. Sige. You cannot stand because you hold that one. No. Come here na, Asher. Come here. Stand up. Nasangit jud siya diha, aday. Dali na. Siyang mata. Karong gara jud ko. Kabali sa gara jud ka ha. Nasangit na ka diha, ha. Nasangit na ka ha. Nasabit na ka diha. Nasangit na. Kaya ka na karon. You close the door. Good job. Good job, bata. You done good. Shush, ang bata. Shush, ay, shush, No, pot mouth. No. You throw away that one, be. You throw away na. You throw away. Ang tagway mo. You throw away. Yan ang gilabay. Come here na. Come here. We gonna go, kuya. Where you go? Ay, gino. Ang bata, ayun ni day. Daghan yun, sangit. Masangit-sangit yun siya day. You go there na. You will go there na. Mama will make your food. Sangit yun siya. You go there. Na, go there. Gahi yun siya ulo day. You go there. Na. Be careful. Sige, kamot. Sige, kaya mo yan. Ang lubot mo ron. Tanawa, hindi niya talaga makalimutan yung ikaw gigid mama. Gigid mama. The other one. Good job. Maliliit na bato mga inday. Tara. Binigay sa akin. Ay, ginugong bataan eh. Open the door na, bi. Puyo na. Naku, naka. Open the door, open. Open the door. Yung kuya niya. Nandyan yung kuya niya. Open the door. You go there inside. Mama will close. Sige, we are here! Yay! Saya niya day. Ang saya niya day. Agoy, lagi, diretso dira. Open sa ano lagi, drawer. Kaurong bata, ajud ka. Bata. Diretso open sa drawer yung batuta natin. Sige. Remote control. Yung bata, ajud. Sige. Yung ginagawa mo, anak. Day, tatapusin ko muna itong trabaho ko, day, mga inday, ha? Tatapusin ko muna to. Hindi tayo matatapos, day. Kapag si Bibi Asher nandito ba? Alam niyo naman, sobrang kulit na bata ba? Mga inday, tingnan niyo yung mag-ama ko, mga inday. Pasensya na sa damit ko. Tingnan mo. Si Bibi Kano, gusto niyang mag-drive. Kaya sinakay ng papa niya sa lawn mower. Hi! Nandiyan yung dalawa daw. Naglaro-laro lang day. Ala. Ha. Hindi ka no day. Done na. It's done. Yay. You drive.
So easier for them to learn how to drive.
You something like something familiar them in the car, something like that. You make